In this short video, let's explore the Home tab in the Power Query Editor, the heart of your data cleaning process. Right at the top left, you'll see Close and Apply. Use this to save and return to Power BI. Then you have New Source, Recent Sources, and Enter Data to bring in your data. Next comes Data Source Settings and Manage Parameters to control your data connections. On the right, you'll see Refresh Preview, Properties, and the Advanced Editor for code lovers. You can manage columns, remove or keep rows, sort and split data, group by values, and even transform data types. At the far end, you have merge queries, append queries, and some powerful AI insights like text analytics and Azure ML. There are a lot of tools here, but don't worry. We'll explore them one by one in upcoming videos with real examples. Keep watching, and let's make data simple.